A very good morning, class 5. Children, today we are going to start the word problem in chapter number 10. After this, exercise 10F, which we have completed yesterday. Start with operations in decimal notation, that is money. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, so we can express this 50 paise in decimal notation. How? Rupee 0.40. As we were writing in money chapter 50 paise, we can show that 50 paise or we can express it as rupee 0.50. Now 10 paise as rupee 0.10 and 1 paise as rupee 0.01. Let's begin with an example. See, a pair of shoes costs this much, a pair of trousers costs this much, and a shirt costs rupees this. Find the total cost of all three articles. This chapter, decimal numbers are there. Along with that, now we have to do certain operations with the word problems. As the question asks us for the total cost, so we know for totaling up the cost, we have to do the addition. In this question, cost of 3 items is given and we have to find out the total cost of all these 3. So we have added it and you get the answer. As the question and the amount is in decimal, so you have to put decimal on the correct place and you have to arrange the amount in proper column so that you get the correct answer. Next, move to the next page number 84, in which Ramesh had rupees 1200 with him. So he had 1200 with him before when he was going to the market at home. He went to the market and bought grocery for this many rupees, vegetables for this much, sweets for this much, and spent rupee 25 on conveyance. Conveyance means transportation. Okay, he must had used some transportation where he spent this rupees 25. Now, how much money was left with him? Children, read the question very well. Question doesn't ask you how much money he is spent, but the question asks you how much money is left with him. But to take out this how much money left with him, you automatically have to first take out or calculate how much money he is spent. Then only we can take out the left amount. So amount is spent. All the amount what he spent in grocery for vegetables, sweets and conveyance, will add that. Okay, after that total amount he had before going to the market, deduct the amount which he is spent. After that we'll get the amount which is left with him. Now move to the next example. This is related to multiplication and division, so we'll continue this tomorrow. Today we are only dealing with plus and minus. See here, a man bought a refrigerator for rupees 10,450, a steel almirah for rupees 755.75, and a table TV for rupees 5,850.65. How much money did he spend in all? Question is asking about a man who have spent all this money to buy all the 3 things. How much money he spent in all? So what you have to do, like this, as it is word problem, we have to write in statement cost of the refrigerator, cost of the steel almirah, and cost of the table TV which he bought. After that, for taking out the total money spent by him, we have to do the addition. So 5 plus 5 10, 0, 1 carry over, 7 plus 1 8, plus 6 14, 4, again 1 carry over, 5 plus 1 6, 5 5 10 plus 5 15, 1 5 12 20, 0 2, 2 plus this 5 7 and 1. So total money spent by the man is 17,056.40. Read the next question. Aman's monthly income is rupees 28,000. he has to pay a monthly rent of rupees 12,000, rupees 7,500 for food, 1,200 for transport, and this as school fees of for his son. How much money does he save every month? Okay, this type of question only, that he earned this much money in a month, he spent all these, and now what is left with him? So amount is spent by Aman, we have to first take out. Amount spent by Aman. What is the total amount he spent? How we take out this? We will add his all spent or his money which he spent in all the things. Monthly rent, food, transport, school fees. This much money he spent. So after adding up we got this much, which I have written here also. Now how much money he saved monthly? So Aman's monthly income. After that we'll subtract amount which he spent, so to find out the amount he saved monthly. Okay, now come to question number 3. Question number 3 is just similar to this example, that's why you will do this yourself. I am not going to do this for you. This much money Mrs. Mathur has in his purse. He bought a sari and a bag. How much money was left with her? So this you have to do yourself. After this, rice. Radha bought the following things from a grocery shop: rice, wheat, spices. She gave shopkeeper 1,000 rupee note. How much money would shopkeeper return him? First you have to add this money he spent to buy all these things, then amount he given to the shopkeeper less this amount shopkeeper returned her. Okay, now question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you leave this 5, 6, 7. This we'll do tomorrow. It is relating to multiplication and division. Tomorrow in live class we'll do that. See this one. This also we'll do tomorrow. A pair of shoes costed this. A pair of socks cost this, and a t-shirt cost this. Mr. Gopal bought 2 pairs of shoes for this. Is also related to multiplication. No need of doing this. So what you have to do, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10th question number. In 10th question number, the cost of a motorcycle is given while the cost of a scooter is given. Question asks you, find the difference in their prices. Difference means what? When we subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, we get difference. So the cost of motorcycle is obvious, as it is written, this is more. So cost of the motorcycle minus cost of the scooter. After subtracting we'll get the difference in their prices. Suppose this pen cost rupees 5 and my pencil cost rupees 3. So what is the difference in their cost? So cost of pen rupee 5 minus cost of pencil rupees 3. Difference in the price is rupees 2. Okay, so your homework is 1, 2, 3, 4 and question number 10. Rest this question we will discuss tomorrow in our live class. Okay children, take care, complete this work in your copy, and tomorrow in live class we'll meet. Bye bye.